Hello and welcome to A1 Healthy Foods YouTube channel. Supercharge your health with beetroot and carrot juice. In this video, we explore the amazing health benefits of beetroot and carrot juice, including how it supports heart health, boosts immunity, enhances digestion, promotes healthy skin, and is packed with antioxidants. We also share a simple and easy recipe for making this powerful juice at home. Join us to learn how to supercharge your health with the incredible powers of beetroot and carrot juice. Beetroot and carrot juice is a delicious and nutritious drink that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here are some health benefits of beetroot and carrot juice. Supports heart health. Beetroot is known to have heart-healthy properties as it contains nitrates that can help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and support cardiovascular health. Carrots are also beneficial for heart health as they are a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamin C. Boosts immunity. Beetroot and carrots are both rich in vitamin C and other immune-boosting nutrients, which can help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections and diseases. Enhances digestion. The high fiber content in both beetroot and carrots can promote healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Additionally, beetroot is known to stimulate liver function and support liver detoxification, which can aid in digestion and overall gut health. Supports healthy skin. Both beetroot and carrots are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that are beneficial for skin health. They can help improve skin complexion, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy, glowing skin. Rich in antioxidants. Both beetroot and carrots are rich in antioxidants, which help improve overall cellular health and may have anti-aging effects. Now, here's a step-by-step guide on how to prepare beetroot and carrot juice. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized beetroot, peeled and chopped. 2 medium-sized carrots, peeled and chopped. 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled. 1 small lemon, juiced. 1 to 2 cups water. Instructions: wash and peel the beetroot and carrots and chop them into small pieces for easy blending. Peel the ginger and cut it into small pieces. In a blender, add the chopped beetroot, carrots, ginger, and lemon juice. Add water to the blender, starting with 1 cup, and blend on high speed until smooth. If the consistency is too thick, you can add more water to achieve your desired consistency. Once the juice is blended, strain it through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove any solids and obtain a smooth juice. Taste the juice and adjust the sweetness or sourness with additional lemon juice or a natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup if desired. Pour the juice into glasses and serve immediately. You can also chill the juice in the refrigerator for a while before serving for a refreshing cold drink. Note: beetroot juice can stain, so be careful while handling and preparing it. You may also want to wear gloves and protect your clothes and surfaces to avoid stains. Enjoy the delicious and nutritious beetroot and carrot juice as a part of your healthy diet.